break, though, so there's at least a silver lining to the forecast, but expect more showers and storms in the forecast going throughout today. I'll explain here in a moment, but taking a look at the time lapse over downtown Corpus Christi, watch as that storm rolled through from just a couple hours ago here early this morning. We're not catching the lightning because this camera faces off towards the southeast, but on the back end of this, there was quite a bit of lightning that moved through San Patricio County with this storm. Right now, looking at conditions at the airport, just some mostly cloudy skies. Temperature 77 degrees. It's warm and humid this morning, feels like 78. Winds coming out of the southeast at 11 miles per hour. So going throughout today, it's going to be a little bit of a mixed bag of weather because we have some showers that will taper off, but it's going to be warm despite all that because we still have humid conditions in advance of a cold front that's going to bring us storms tonight. So let's just look at those temperatures across the area. Many of us already near the 80-degree mark. A few cooler spots, 72 in Orange Grove, 75 in Alice, 78 up in Rockport at this hour and Ingleside as well. So the winds continuing to come out of the southeast. You know what that means. It means it's going to stay humid here throughout the rest of this morning. Winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour will get gustier with some of the storms we expect later on today. So right now, things much quieter than they were just a few hours ago. We still have a few showers that are lingering around parts of George West, down 37 into Robstown, seeing a few sprinkles out there. So these will eventually taper off. We get a bit of a break today, but the rain chances ramp up rapidly into this evening, and we don't dry out until at least Thursday morning. Wednesday is going to be a pretty rainy one as well here. So putting it into motion here on Future Track, by the time we head into this afternoon, it's going to look like it's a pretty nice day. We get a break in the clouds, some sunshine, but that does not work in our favor. It helps to cook up some more storms as we go into the evening hours. Look at that line of showers and storms that begin out west. Those will begin to progress eastward. And by the time we head past the midnight hour, once again, another repeat of today, a stormy start to the morning here. But this time, I think those showers and storms will pretty much go along the coastline from top to bottom here across the viewing area because it's associated with a cold front that's moving through our area and will eventually make things nicer for Thursday and Friday. But until then, the Storm Prediction Center has us in a marginal risk for severe weather for today, your Tuesday. That means any storms that develop this afternoon have the potential to produce hail about 1 inch in diameter, some gusty winds around 60 miles per hour at times, and some locally heavy downpours. So that's something we're watching for with any storms that develop later on into today. And like I said, we'll get some sunshine into the mix as we head into the later afternoon. So that means these afternoon temperatures are going to be very hot. 87 for the high in Corpus Christi, some 90s if you're further inland, a little bit cooler along the coastline. And as we head on into tonight, looks like it's going to be another stormy one here. Overnight low in Corpus Christi will be 71 degrees, stormy and breezy, especially as those storms move through the area. Over the next 7 days, though, we get a little bit of a break going into Thursday and Friday, just in time for more storms to come back in for the weekend.